Hey everybody, Michael Tiny Saul. Today is Tuesday, April 12th at 8:30, and this is continued management of the stock watch list for the week of April 11th, 2011. Let's start out with some stop outs. We had 4 stocks stop out for a total of 3 units to the negative. WCRX half size trade stopped out, so that's a half a unit gone. COV was a full-size trade, but since we moved stops up Monday, we cut risk in a little bit over a half, but I'm counting it as a half a unit loss. So that's 2 stocks out for a total of 1 unit on the negative side. NTAP up 1.5% in a down market. That counts as a full unit stop out. And then SGI, which had an ugly down day, but the stops were under Friday's lows, so definitely contained the losses. But that also counts as a full unit stop out. So that's 4 stocks that stopped out for 3 units on the negative side, and it sucks. But that's what happens sometimes with the stocks. That's what happens with using a watch list and continuing to update it and add and subtract and tweak. So it happens. For those of you who have been watching these videos for a number of weeks, you know we've had our share of winners as well. I don't try to hide losers. I don't think there's any benefit to doing it, and it wasn't a completely shot day. Plus there's 3 new stocks I'm going to add to the list as well. So there's Harman International. It moved 80 cents from the entry, stops a break even here, looking to take half off down here at 42.71. It's 5 cents above that low. JDSU fired off as well. If it trades below Tuesday's lows, looking to move stops to break even there, looking for a $1 gain for half off, and then looking for this to test the 200-day moving average on the second half. Let's look at some new stocks on the list. HSP, Hospira. Okay, you can see I already have the management laid out, looking for a long above Tuesday's highs. Tuesday's highs were 56.36, so using 56.37 as the entry. Remember, if it gaps up above that entry, the trade is canceled. $1 stop, 50-cent gain moves stops to break even, looking for $1 as the first target. So looking for $1 as the first target, and then seeing where it goes from there. Guess, okay, is in a bearish pattern. You can see the 200-day moving average is holding this back for now. Got over the 200-day, but then it remounted it, or it rebroke it, I should say, to the downside here. Double inside bars suggesting that this one is ready to move, using Tuesday's low as the entry, 1 cent below the low, $1 stop, 37.59 target for half off, 50-cent gain, 50-cent gain move stops to break even. And then finally MRVL. Okay, also a bearish setup here. Impulse to the downside, and now it has the bear flag, looking for a break of Tuesday's low for an entry. 40-cent stop, first 25-cent gain move stops to break even, and looking at a $14.97 target for the first target. Then, of course, manage it from there. So that's it. I will do another management watch list video on Wednesday for Thursday's session, and coming up next I'll be doing a Forex video, so check back for that. Have a great trading day on Wednesday.